first things first, like I said, I was way too busy to actually show y'all this the day of. This is day 2 after the concert. I'm doing a reenactment. Let me say that again. Reenactment of how I did my hair and my makeup for the night. So she fluffed out her hair. The curls were much more defined on day 1. We all know that, but my pick is my bestie in this situation. Pick out the roots, put the cutesy little feather clip in your hair and be done with it, girl. Push it off to the side and be done. Now with the makeup, I'm in this era where more is less, but less is more, if you get me, okay? So I really don't be trying to do too much with my makeup. I really did a simple glittery eye, no cut crease, no layering, no blending, none of that. I literally just wanted to do a glittery eye. This is a gold glitter it's not showing up on camera, but it has green flakes. And so it's like a green gold shift glitter. Then I did my eyebrows, same liner pencil I did my eyebrows with. And I did light strokes, so they look like feathery hair strokes, okay? Then I'm taking the same liner pencil. I think I bought these on Temu, y'all. For real, Temu is tea. If you ever need stuff in a pinch, right, try out some of their makeup stuff. Look at how cute this is. It has a little stamper on one side and the nicest fine point wet liner pen. So I put my little butterflies all over my face where I want to add some va-va-voom, okay? And then I'm taking this glittery liquid blue liner to pick up the blues in my feather hairpiece, okay? I think it helps bring out my eyes like this. So we're going to do lips. Lips, I did my brown liner. She's been holding it on strong, literally. I've had this one for 2 years plus. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Just keep using what you got. Don't be trying to chase out here and get every single brown liner that somebody's talking about. Use what you got, boo. Okay, then I took this contact shimmer pencil stick, and it's meant to be shimmer for all over. So I used it as under my eyebrows to cut the line a little bit more. And then I actually used this as a lippy. Okay, so I'm blending out the edges of that harsh brown liner, and it's turning into this gorgeous, I've never done my lips like this. This was truly an experiment, but I love the way it came out. It's this gorgeous nude lip, but it still picks up a lot of that gold that's in the eye. And then I put my favorite Beauty Supply lip gloss on top, y'all. That Beauty Supply lip gloss, don't be sleeping on that either. They be having the good stuff in there sometimes, okay? So now I'm priming my face. I got this primer in my Ipsy. I really like it, a lot. It's really good. And I don't even be doing a whole full face. When I say less is more, that's what I'm talking about. So I'm letting my glue stick dry out. Pour some on a napkin and then let it get tacky for your lashes. I'm putting this tanned color. Lord, I lost my words again. It's meant to be one of those foundation sticks, but this one's 2 tones deeper than my normal skin tone. So I really only be putting it underneath my jawline and then upper, closer to my hairline, okay? And I just blended it out with my fingers because I didn't even know where my brush was at the time. But she has her blush brush always on deck. Y'all know I come from a theater background, so there's never enough blush, honey. Yes, blush me up. I put blush on my cheeks, on my nose. Sometimes you catch me on a good night, I'll put some on my temples and my forehead a little bit. But tonight we just did cheeks and nose. And I love this blush palette because it comes with a contour and a highlight in it already. So I just did the highlight literally all over. When I say less is more, more is less, this is what I'm talking about, okay? So we didn't do a full face of foundation, only where I needed the coverage at. Okay, now I'm sticking on my lashes, girl. Yeah, she's fierce, she's fly, she's me, honey. Queen Jill, I'm coming for you. So this is my makeup at the end of the night. This is the outfit, girl. I got so many compliments. We were so close to the stage. I wish I could have showed y'all. We had a time, honey. Okay, she got them legs out. My mama looked cute. We was real cute, honey. Yes, queen. Come on, queen, with the shoulder. Cold shoulder. Hit him with the cold.
The concert was excellent. Jill Scott is awesome. This was the best Mother's Day I've had in my whole life.
Say it again, Ma. Say it back.
Best Mother's Day I've had in my whole life.
There you go. Yay! Mother's Day 1. Happy Juneteenth, family. Peace.